Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. I'm Laura. If this is your first time, I'm so glad to have you. If you're a returning guest, you're always welcome to come shopping with me. I don't often go to Walmart, but these clearance sales are worth it. Most of these bamboo melamine dishes are now more than half off, and I had to share it with you guys. I want you to see it here first before they sell out. $4.50 for this giant serving bowl with the adorable tomatoes. They also have that available in the olive and floral designs. Those trays at the bottom were also $4.50. $11 is all you'll pay now for this Better Homes and Gardens chip and dip set. That's a 7-piece set. I love it because you can take out the individual pieces to refill them. The Better Home and Garden olive salad serving set is now only $10.50. Again, all of these are that melamine that's made of bamboo. It's not plastic, it's bamboo melamine. It's supposed to be better for you, and it's more sustainable and holds up a little better. The Better Homes and Garden olive dinner plates are also, and salad plates, $1.50. Wanted to show you underneath here. It's really a nice color underneath there too, kind of a speckled beige. $1.50 for a 2-set dip bowl. It says cereal bowl. Those would be individual. They've sold out at this location, but they do have the 2-bowl dip set for only $1.50. 75 cents a bowl, guys. That's amazing. They have that in olive and the adorable tomato with green trim. For $11, I found this beautiful Better Homes and Gardens vase for your dry floral arrangements, or you could put a little insert in there if you wanted to keep fresh cut flowers. I'm sure that would be fun. Better Homes and Garden olive salad plates. Here are those larger plates. Only $1.50. They have that in the olive design, the tomato, and then here in a while I'll show you the floral design as well. The salad and the dinner plate. These are so sturdy and substantial, and I don't think you're going to get a better price. Here are the floral plates, also for $1.50. A lovely design. Those have a green speckle color to the back of them, so a little different than the olives. $1.50 for the tomato dinner plate. These are so cute. How often do you see outdoor plates with tomatoes on them? And the dinner bowls, which this is more of a salad bowl. This is a large dinner plate size bowl, is $1.50. Very cute. There's the salad plate. Also $1.50. So regardless of the size, at least at this Walmart location, the Better Homes and Gardens plates in any designs or size is now $1.50. Here's the floral bowl, still in that bamboo melamine. Very deep bowls. Beautiful design. They look like ceramic. It fooled me until I picked them up and started reading the tags. Here's that floral dinner plate, also $1.50. And I think these Better Homes and Garden figural tomato candles are the cutest little things. I had to take a second look to make sure those were in fact candles. Look at the tomato candles. Never seen those before. And these smell so refreshing. They're called tomato basil scent. I definitely got the basil and kind of a light floral scent. I'm sorry, tomato and thyme. But what I smelled was more similar to a floral basil-y scent. The Better Home and Garden 20 by 30 core floral mats are now $15. Now, over in the bedding, $40. This thing used to be $75 for the Better Homes and Gardens king size comforter set. Mainstays full queen comforter set, 5-piece, was about $60. Now it's $47.50. These are beautiful comforter sets. Also mainstays with sheets. The full size is $43.50 for the gray set. This is absolutely stunning. The mainstays king size comforter set with sheets is now $53 in this beautiful pink textured print. Also on the clearance aisle for $11.50, these great melamine drink dispensers with gold handles, and $11 for these clear glass hurricanes for your flicker candles or pillar candles. Those are beautiful. All right, fabric. I found fabric and crafts cheap at Walmart today. 3 pre-cut yards of fabric for $3 and $4. How about that? Here's the sparkle mesh organza swirl, iridescent organza, the mesh jersey solid for $7.50. Look at this beautiful organza mermaid for $4. You get 3 yards. Mesh glitter flower, mesh satin with glitter, 3-yard fabric cut sparkle mesh for $4. Have that in several colors. Iridescent organza dots for $4. 3-yard tulle for $2. Sparkle mesh for $4. And there's some more tulle, really pretty peach color. Some satin lining, $2 for 2 yards. 3 yards of mesh glitter for $4. And then that beautiful mermaid color. $7.50 for Better Homes and Gardens pre-cut fabric in several different designs and colors here. $5. This one's marked $7. I think that may be the wrong price. All of this pre-cut fabric is either $5 or $7. So pretty for 2 yards of 100% cotton fabric. That's Better Homes and Gardens brand. They also have these 1.5 pre-cut yards of sequin fabric for $3. That was available in red. Had a few of those, and then the gold. And unfortunately, these pre-cut rolls of tulle or netting, I wasn't able to find a price anywhere. Despite my best efforts, I really should have scanned them or asked an associate. They have those in purple, pink, and black. Some of them are tulle, and then some of them are a wider, like woven net fabric. $2.50 for the 2-pack glitter tulle. Get quite a bit of that in several different colors. 25 yards in a pack. That's 6 inches wide. And then I found this one random Bernat Yarnspirations yarn for $5. Okay, over in the fragrances, I found some scent warmers. This one had been $20.62. Now that's $13.50. I thought it was very pretty. And they also have this Edison wax warmer for $18. Beautiful. Those are by Sensationals. They also have select wax cube melts on clearance for $1, so you'll have to look through those. And then back in the actual craft and fabric department, they have lots of bolts of spring and summer color fabrics on clearance. Look at those beautiful blues there in the center and florals. They even have watermelon. These are the ones you just kind of have to look through. Some are $2 or $3 a yard. Some are as much as $7 a yard. So there are better prices than others. Now, here is the kicker of the whole video. If you are subscribed to my channel, you already know that Ollie's Bargain Outlet has many of these for $2 and $3. These Hill Folk craft kits. This little snail here, the needle felted snail, is for sure $2.99 at Ollie's. They have a few different varieties here at Walmart for $10.97, but again, many of them are the same. That little Hill Folk coaster set, funky coaster set, is $1.99 at Ollie's. Here it is $12. $14.47 for these designs that are also $2.99 at Ollie's. So I'm going to show you those Ollie's finds here in a minute just to prove that I'm not making this up. This is why you not only want to subscribe to my channel, you want to make sure the little notification bell is lit up at the bottom that says that you're going to receive notifications. That way, the day that I post these videos, it'll say, hey, you need to watch this. The sale is today, and you won't miss out. So for all of those people that watched this video where I already showed these Hill Folk crafts at Ollie's for way, way lower prices than Walmart, you can pat yourself on the back for subscribing and hitting that notification bell to get notifications as soon as the videos are out. And if you haven't already and you look down there and that bell isn't lit, this is the time to do it, so you'll always be ahead of the game on the sales before they sell out and before you pay more at another place. And I know some of you don't like for me to compare prices at closeout stores and retail stores. Well, I'm sorry, actually no apologies. I want my viewers and my subscribers to get the best possible price that they can on all of these crafts, home decor, garden items, and more. That's the reason I have this channel. And so that I can help those who aren't able to go out and shop as much as they can to see what is out there and possibly send somebody out to help them get what they want or need. All right, if you like this video, please like it. That's really encouraging. Share to say thank you. Subscribe so you never miss a video. And if you're on your phone and you have the ability, be sure to press the hype button. That helps my videos go further, helps put gas in my car so I can keep shopping for those who can't. All right, everybody, I should be back tomorrow with a new video. Until then, take care and God bless.